Welcome to Smart Solutions Hub. Is your Wi-Fi not working, not connecting, or missing completely on your Windows PC? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix Wi-Fi issues in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Step 1. Check if Wi-Fi is turned on. First, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Click on the network icon at the bottom right of your screen and ensure Wi-Fi is enabled. If it is off, turn it on and try connecting again. Also, some laptops have a physical Wi-Fi switch or button, usually on the side of the laptop or on the keyboard. Make sure this switch is turned on. If it is off, your Wi-Fi will not work at all, even if everything in Windows looks correct. If your laptop does not have a physical switch, you can skip this step. Step 2. Restart your PC and Wi-Fi router. Next, restart your computer and your Wi-Fi router. This helps refresh the connection and can fix temporary network issues. Wait for your Wi-Fi or router to fully power on before reconnecting. If that didn't fix your issue, don't worry. The next methods are more powerful. Step 3. Run Network Troubleshooter. Now, let's use the built-in Windows troubleshooter. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Then select Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Network Troubleshooter. Select Wi-Fi, then click Next and wait for Windows to detect and fix the problem. If the troubleshooter could not identify the issue, move to the next step. Step 4. Enable Wi-Fi adapter. If Wi-Fi is still not working, your network adapter might be disabled. Press Windows key plus R, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. In the Network Connections window, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and click Enable if it is disabled. If it is already enabled, continue to the next step. Step 5. Update Wi-Fi driver. Next, update your Wi-Fi driver. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. You will see several options here, but your Wi-Fi driver usually has words like wireless or Wi-Fi in the name. For example, mine is called Intel Dual Band Wireless, so that is the one I will update. Make sure you don't select Ethernet or WAN mini port options. Right-click your Wi-Fi driver and select Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. If it finds an update, go ahead and install it. If it says the best driver is already installed, proceed to the final step. Step 6. Reset network settings. If the problem still continues, you can reset your network settings. Click on the Start button, go to Settings, then select Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Network Reset, and then click Reset. This will remove and reinstall your network adapters and reset settings to default. After resetting, restart your computer and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your password and check if the connection is working properly. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi should now be working properly. If this video helped you, subscribe to Smart Solutions Hub for more quick PC fixes and tech tutorials.